Say that the water and air is like wine, rivers and mountains and fields fill the eye. So down to the ocean I know I must go, this day or next while the trade winds still blow. Ride, oh ride, stars are my guide, spray in my hair and my love at my side. Sail, sail, ocean and rail, carry me far and away. A hard rack and hard tat are all that I own. Hunger and northers, moonlight and storm, mainsail and rudder, the wind and the wave, land of the free and the home of the brave. Oh, they say that the water and air is like wine, rivers and cattle and fields fill the eye. So up to the prairie I know I must go, this day or next while the warm winds still blow.
So just a little note on this. This is brand new off of eBay. I think it was too much. It was about 30 bucks. But probably, well, it's a lot cheaper than the original Honda part. That's like almost $100, which is nuts. And it works. The old one, don't know if we'll be able to see it, but you can probably, it just rounded right off. The axle got damaged too, but not as bad. This is a little softer steel, I think. And so this wears out first. Now, I had a parts four-wheeler to try from. This is from a Honda 350. A little bit newer, and as you can see, it's a different style, but it looked the same. But when you go to put it on here, it is slightly different. It will not fit. This is a Honda Fourtrax 300. I think it's a 99, and I think it's 2001 is when they changed and went to this style. It has a, oops, wrong one. It has a dust seal, and this actually fits inside another seal, and there's actually grease in there, which is a little bit better design than this. This is completely dry, as you just saw. It just slides on there, and you put the nut and washer on, and put your cotter pin on, and you're done. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg for these. Like I said, I got it off of eBay. You just gotta find your part number, the one you need, and you can order it, and it's pretty simple to put on there. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe, and I'll continue to do more videos like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And this is Excellence in Agriculture. Thanks for watching. Just a continuation of what I just recorded. I decided to check the other side, and it was wiggling back and forth, and it was loose. So I took it off, inspected it, and it's not stripped out or anything. But I turned it and put it back on a different spot. And and it felt better, and tightened it up, and there is no play at all now. Probably because it's just in a little different spot. It's going to wear a little different now. It's probably going to help this one last a little longer. Maybe not. But just another little tip.